Buongiorno a tutti. My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Val Fortore Cultural Center cookbook. Today, we will be cooking Minestra di Patate e Piselli, which is minestrone soup with pasta and peas, from the kitchen of Josephine Carpino. For this recipe, you will need potatoes, garlic, onion, olive oil, peas, vegetable broth, parsley, peperoncino, salt and pepper, tubetti pasta, and pecorino cheese. For the first step, you will need to heat your olive oil in a saucepan until it reaches medium heat. For the next step, you're going to take your onion and your garlic and you're going to chop everything finely. And you're going to put it with your oil and your peperoncino and you're going to cook it for a total of 2 to 3 minutes until your onion and garlic softens. For the next step, you're going to dice and peel your potatoes, and you're going to add your potatoes, your peas, and your vegetable stock to the rest of your mixture, which is garlic, onion, peperoncino, and oil, and you're going to bring that entire soup to a boil. Once your soup is boiled, you're going to add 2 cups of pasta, and you're going to cook the entire soup until your pasta and your potatoes are completely thoroughly cooked. Now is the point for you to flavor your soup. So you take your salt and your pepper and just put as much flavoring as you want, not over too much because you don't want it to be too salty or too peppery. And then at that point, you can serve up your soup. And the way that I always do this, and also the recipe calls for, is you grate some pecorino cheese and garnish it with a bit of parsley to put on the top. Now is time for the taste test. You have nice pecorino cheese on the top and the pasta. The flavoring's very, very nice. The pasta's cooked to perfection, al dente. And the flavoring too. The thing I love about this is the combination between the vegetable broth, the peperoncino just gives a bit of a punch, a little bit of spice to it. And then with the pecorino cheese on top, just gives that bit of saltiness. Very good. For those of you who want to try this recipe, the recipe's below in the description box. As well, you can follow me on Instagram at A Taste of Roseto Val Fortore. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, let me know if you've tried this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, buon appetito. Oh no. Shoot. Potatoes, I don't know. Do one more time. Get away! Okay, do it again. Oh, he's back again.